If you're making any sort of platform or flying game, then the one thing you will need to have is gravity. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add gravity to your game. As you can see from the screen, we've got our flying object, which in this case is a bee. So let's go and add in gravity. I click on Control and I select when flag is clicked. And then I select the forever block because gravity is always happening. Then what I want to do is I want to force the bee to move down the way. And to do that, I need to go to the motions area and I want the change Y by 10. And what this block means is change the Y coordinate, which is the up and down one, by a certain amount. Now gravity simply and only acts down the way. So actually I want my Y coordinate to get smaller. So I'm going to change this to a minus. So I'm going to try -4. And there we go. That's gravity. Let me place the bee at the top and press the green flag. And there you go. Gravity is going down. Now gravity seems to be a little bit too quick there, so I can change this -4. Let's have it slightly slower. Let's try -1. And there we go. Let me stop here. Now your game is going to be fairly rubbish if all you've got is gravity. You need to have some way to keep the bee flying. And to do that, we go back to one of the commands you might have used earlier in the smooth commands. And we assign it to either the spacebar, if you were doing a Flappy Birds type game, or you could use the up arrow. So let's go and add in that command. We go to Control, when flag is clicked, forever. And this time we want the if block, and then we're going to add something to the if block, which is the sensing. And I'm going to select, in this case, the space bar. So when I press the space bar, the bee will move up. I need to make sure that the bee is going in the right direction. So I click on motion and point the bee going up, which is 0. I then decide how much I wish the bee to move up, and we'll try 10 to begin with. So with that all ready, let's move my bee into the middle, press the green flag, on comes gravity, press the space bar, and my bee is moving up. Little bit, it moves, keep it pressed down a lot, and it moves right up to the top. Let me just stop there. And then you can play about with these numbers depending on what you would like in your game. You may well want to increase it to make your game harder. You may want to reduce this number so that you have more control over the spacebar.